Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to deposit funds in DSJ Exchange. Depositing funds into a crypto platform might seem like the easiest step, but it's actually one of the most important to get right. Why? Because if you send funds to the wrong address or choose the wrong network, your money is gone permanently. There's no reversal, no refund, no customer support that can fix it. A lot of people rush this step because they're excited to start trading or follow signals, but that's exactly how costly mistakes happen. Open the DSJ Exchange app and log into your account. Now, go to Assets. This is your financial hub. It shows your balances, allows deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. Next, tap on Deposit. Then, you'll be asked to choose the currency as well as the network. Pick the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Examples: USDT, BTC, and ETH. You can only receive what you select. If you send BTC to a USDT address, your funds will be lost, so always match the asset. Also, choose the network, such as TRC20 or ERC20. This is where most mistakes happen. The sending wallet must use the same network. If networks don't match, the funds will be gone. You'll now see a wallet address and a QR code. You can copy the address or scan the QR code. This is where your funds will be sent and is unique to your account. Go to your other crypto wallet and click Send. Paste the DSJ deposit address. Select the same network and enter the amount. Then confirm the transaction. Crypto transactions are not instant, so a network congestion or confirmation requirements could cause a delay. To summarize, depositing funds into DSJ Exchange involves logging in, going to Assets, selecting Deposit, choosing your currency and network, copying the deposit address, and sending funds from your external wallet. Accuracy in currency and network selection is critical, and that's how to deposit funds into DSJ Exchange. It's a simple process, but one that requires your full attention. Never rush deposits, always double-check everything, and start small until you're confident. Remember, getting funds into a platform is easy, but protecting your money is what really matters. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.